previous chapter we have discussed a few concepts related to regular expression. Let us continue our discussion on the regular expression. Now let us discuss about one of the advanced concept called look ahead and look behind. In this there are four different types: look ahead positive, look ahead negative, look behind positive, and look behind negative. Let us understand each of these one by one. Let us understand positive look ahead. Positive look ahead asserts that the given pattern follows. For example, here we want to find a pattern where A is followed by B. Matches say A only if it is followed by B. Let us say if I want to so if I write like A and match the A only if it is followed by B, question mark equal to B. So far it is not found. For example, if I type here A B, see it is matching with this A now, one match. If I suppose if I type AC, it is not matching because A is not followed by B, right? It is called positive look ahead. Match A only if it is followed by B. Here A is followed by B, so it is matching, so there is a one match. So this is called positive look ahead. Now let us understand negative look ahead. Negative look ahead asserts that given pattern does not follow. For example, here highlight A only if it is not followed by B. It means it matches A only if it is not followed by B. For example, instead of this one, I can say A within the bracket, I will say not equal to B, right? So now it is matching all the A's where A is not followed by B. Here it is not matching because in this case A is followed by B, it is not matching. Here see A is not followed by B, so it is matching here, right? So for example, similarly you can write for this one also, highlight N if it is not followed by O. For example, here I will say highlight N if it is not followed by O. See here N is highlighted because there is no O after the N. Here N is highlighted because there is no O after N. Here N is not highlighted or matched because there is a O occurring after N. Our condition is highlight N or match N if it is not followed by O. So this is called negative look ahead. We want to ensure that certain pattern is not followed, right? Now let us discuss about look behind. Now let us discuss about the positive look behind. Positive look behind, we will use this sign question mark less than or equal to. Assert that given pattern proceeds. In this example, question mark less than or equal to A within the parenthesis then P. It ensures that matches with B only if it is preceded by A. Here for example, I will say A question mark less than or equal to, okay, here I specify within the parenthesis question mark less than or equal to A B, right? Here the meaning means it match B only if it is preceded by A. Here it is matching because before B there is a A here, right? Similarly, now let us look into negative look behind. It means assert that given pattern does not proceed. It means match with B only if it is not preceded by A. Matches B only if it is not preceded by A. It means here question mark less than and here I will say not equal to. So it is matching all the B's where A is not preceding it. For example, here you can say B is not matched here because it is preceded by A. Here B is matched because it is not preceded by A. Here B is matched, right? Because it is not preceded by A. Wherever there is A B, right? B C. So here also it is not matching because B is preceded by A. B is preceded by A. Here B is matched because B is not preceded by A. All the strings where B is preceded by A is not matched, and if the B is not preceded by A, it is matching. This is called negative look behind. Now let us understand the regular expression with some practical examples. Let us say how to do email validation using regular expression. For example, let us say email ID is abcd something at gmail.com, right? We want to match this email ID. It can also have underscore, it can also have a numbers, right? And it can be like here .co.in as well, abcd@xyz.co.in, right? Like this also there can be email ID. So let us try to write regular expression for matching these email IDs. It means now email ID will start with a character. Now the email ID should start with characters, right? It can start with A to Z or capital A to Z, 0 to 9, dot, underscore, percentage, plus, minus. You can remove some symbols if they are, let us assume that it need to start with only characters, right? So let us say, okay, it need to start with characters. And once this character, one or more characters, and then there is a @ symbol, right? And then again it will have a characters A to Z or A to Z, and 0 to 9, so underscore, and there might be dot as well, right? And at least one or more occurrence, right? Then there will be a dot, then there will be a characters A to Z, A to Z. Here this is the regular expression for matching both the email IDs. You can see here it should start with A to Z, either capital or small, and 0 to 9 digits can also have, it can also have underscore, right? And plus means one or more, and caret means starting with, plus means one or more occurrence of this character should be there, and followed by @ symbol. This @ symbol, and again there can be alphanumeric characters including underscore, and there can be dot as well, right, after this. And then after that there is a dot here, \dot. We want to match the dot literally, that is why there is a escape sequence character, \ is given. So after that then again there is alphanumeric characters, right? A to Z, A to Z, and then it should end with this one. There should be at least two occurrence or more of these characters, right? And then ending with dollar again, means dollar means ending with these characters. So this is the regular expression to validate the email ID. Now let us look into one more example of validating the mobile phone number. Let us say phone number is starting with, let's say, country code. Like some country code can start with, say, let us say 919988 as a 10 digit number, right? 7766 22468 okay 44, 10 digit number, right? So we want to see, like, it is starting with, so let us say it is starting with plus, and there's a one occurrence of plus, so we need to use a escape sequence character here, and followed by digits. How many digits should be there in phone number? It depends on the country. Let us say minimum 10 to 12 digits, we can say, right? Here this is the regular expression to validate the phone number. Say caret means start with plus, it is a escape sequence character because plus has a special meaning. Then question mark means 0 or 1 occurrence of plus should be there, then followed by numbers 1 to 9, right? And then digits 1 to 14 digits should be there, right? It means numbers 1 to 9, or we can say even let us say even we can specify 0 to 9, right? So start with plus is optional, either 0 or 1, and then numbers 0 to 9. It should be length should be between 1 to 14. Let us say I will say minimum 10 digits should be there, 10 to 14 digits number, right? It should match. So let us say if I type 1 2 3 4, it is not matching, right? If I type 10 digit number, it is matching, right? So this is how you match the phone number using a regular expression. Now let us look into how to match the URL. Let us say I will say https www.google.com, right? We want to write a regular expression to match this URL. Then what we can do is, URL can be sometime http or https, right? https or http, right? So it should start with this one and followed by colon, right? And then front slash should be there too, and then www should be there, right? Followed by dot. Let us say www, one occurrence should be there, followed by dot, right? And then it can have A to Z or A to Z or 0 to 9, even underscore, right? It should be minimum one or more occurrence of letter should be there. Then again dot should be there. Then again character will be there, A to Z or A to Z, at least two or more characters should be there, right? So this regular expression is exactly matching this one. If I say like http colon slash slash www.yaho.com, so it is matching this as well. So let us say if I say yahoo.co.in, right? It's not matching here. It means we need to modify our regular expression to match this as well, right? It means what we need to do is, there can be dot here as well, right, in this part. So it is matching this regular expression also now, means this regular expression is matching this URL as well. So this way you can adjust this regular expression by testing with different URLs, different phone numbers or different emails, right? Now we have learned how to create a regular expression for email ID validation, phone number validation, URL validation.